I'm the financial controller of Hanlon Plumbing and took on the journey of Hanlon's digital transformation. We use third-party applications like Velixo with MYOB Acumatica to manage our reporting.
One of the largest challenges most businesses have is analysis that's tailored to their own business. Velixo is a valuable tool for MYOB Acumatica in that it allows flexibility in financial reporting. It allows you to extract that data and it's manipulatable to any instance. Changes in your system as well come in automatically. So the ability to save time is substantial.
We can only implement KPIs if staff are well informed on their progress and if they have access to the data. Velixo has been great, and a lot of the reports I do at month end, we're able to automate. When the time comes, just click a button, then we can get the reports out. So that will save me about 2 days work every month and bring more visibility to the business.